Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you the result of a configuration of a cluster autoscaler. Basically what I did was to add the cluster autoscaler deployment already created in AWS into my existing EKS cluster on the console of AWS. So we're going to see it right now. This is my Kubernetes cluster created on the AWS console. Here are two nodes already created. On each of them I can have 17 pods created. I type kubectl get nodes. And as I can see, these two are created in my Kubernetes cluster. To have my Kubernetes cluster, I followed the next steps, and I had to create my policy. But in order to get my policy, I had to create this file, ClusterAutoscaler policy JSON, and with that I got my policy name, which is going to be essential to create my role, my IAM role. That's going to be used in order to create my identity provider. So my identity provider is this one. So now, after following all the steps to continue with the cluster, without cluster autoscaler inside the Kubernetes, I want to show you the file, the deployment file I had to edit in order to use my own cluster. And this line here, I had to specify the name of my cluster, which is CJ cluster in this case, which is the same I had to specify here. I'll add these are the two lines. So I'm gonna get out now. I just wanted to show you. And after that, what I'm gonna do is to show you, because after this I displayed the image of the cluster autoscaler. I want to show you now the logs of the autoscaler with this command. So as we can see here at some of them, I want to issue the command again. And it turns up with all the events inside of it. So that means that my cluster autoscaler is working. Let's go and see how many pods I have. And I have 17 created. Those that are allowed by the nodes of the cluster, of the Kubernetes cluster on AWS console. So that's it for now. Thank